The Magic Unicorn by Lochlynn. It was Lily's birthday. She was 8. She decided to go on a walk. She met a unicorn. Wow, it is so beautiful. Can I have a ride on your back? The unicorn smiled. They met another unicorn with a bad person. I want to steal your unicorn. Lily and the unicorn ran away. They came home at night. The next morning, the parents asked, "Can we have a ride on your unicorn?" "Yes, of course. I like sharing my unicorn." Yeah, Lily does like sharing unicorn. Would you share your unicorn? Maybe not with this person. The end.